Connected Brain isn't just about connected brain, it's about the people who connect brain. It's about talking and engaging with our customers to help them get brain connected.
It's so important we come here. And true fact, I even came off maternity early, so not to miss this event 2 years ago, it was that important.
There's always a buzz, there's always something happening. I've had a little walk round and I'm learning so much already.
I think it's just an absolute captive audience of all the different people you want to speak to across the sector, all in one room for 2 days and focused on doing business, getting together and making new contacts.
We've seen new customers, existing customers a lot, so it's really cool to actually see everyone come together, which is really nice.
There's always a lot of insight from industry players, key players across the industry, on the panels, on the different breakouts across the day and in the networking sessions. It's really valuable, I find it.
Everyone who is in the industry, who's in telecoms, is here, and for us it's a great opportunity to get everyone together and meet our existing customers and potential customers.
Loads of people are coming through the Startup Village, it's been really great, especially with the talks going on in the background, with some really great pictures as well. I guess it gives the younger companies and the startups more of a voice and more of a chance to kind of be on the same level as those big established companies as well.
It's great to have the cream of the industry here. You can't beat face-to-face contact. It's a great opportunity to do that over these next 2 days.
If you're interested in connectivity and the UK, this is the event to be at, and you will see everyone here and everyone participating.